Idiomatic expressions. Real-world talking.
Idiom number 8. To hell with something or someone means expressing someone doesn't care of something. Example: they want me to stop, but to hell with them. I'll do what I want to do.
Idiom number 9. Do one's best means do as well as one can.
Example: no one expects you to do the job perfectly. Just do your best.
Definition. Slang words or phrases. Very informal words and expressions that are more common in spoken language, especially used by a particular group of people, for example, children, criminals, soldiers, etc. For example, I feel you means, I understand.
Sharpen your ears by listening to real sounds. You will see each clip twice, first without related text and the second time with the text. Notice the meaning of the words and phrases at the bottom.
Up here, cuz it's hotter than a crack over the mouth, man. Shit, to hell with the AC, man. Give me the crack up. Man, can a brother get some air conditioning up here, cuz it's hotter than a crack over the mouth, man. Shit, to hell with the AC, man. Give me the crack up. Be up in here, man. Fish. Yo, Fish, what you looking at? You look kind of pretty to be up in here, man. Fish.
Fish. Ain't nothing to do up in here but serve time. Ain't nobody gonna serve it for you. Fish. Ain't nothing to do up in here but serve time. Ain't nobody gonna serve it for you.
Welcome to Prisonland, Fish. Welcome to Prisonland, Fish.
Over.